Have you ever created something digital? A piece of art? A song? A unique design? And wondered how you could truly own it? In a world where anything online can be copied with a simple right click, proving ownership has always been a challenge for digital creators. This is where the magic of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, comes into play. Think of an NFT as a digital certificate of authenticity, a unique token that proves you are the owner of a specific digital item. It gives creators a way to finally sign their work in the digital realm, much like a painter signs their canvas. An NFT is a special kind of digital token that lives on a blockchain. A blockchain is simply a public distributed ledger, a record book shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This makes the record of ownership incredibly secure and almost impossible to tamper with. Because the blockchain is transparent, anyone can verify who owns a particular NFT, tracing its history all the way back to the original creator. This creates a clear and undeniable chain of title. So when you create an NFT, you are not just making a digital file, you are creating a verifiable digital original, a scarce and provable asset that can be bought, sold, and traded like a physical collectible. Before you can embark on your journey to create an NFT, you need to assemble your digital toolkit. The first and most important item you need is the digital file you wish to transform into an NFT. This is your creation, the core of what you will be offering to the world. A stunning piece of digital art you made, a photograph you captured, a piece of music you composed, a short video clip. The file format can vary, from common image types like JPEG, PNG, to audio files like MP3, to video files like MP4. What truly matters is that it is a piece of work that you created and have the rights to. The next essential tool is a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet does not hold your digital currency or NFTs like a physical wallet holds cash. Instead, it securely stores your private keys. These keys are cryptographic passwords that prove you are the owner and allow you to authorize transactions. For Ethereum and compatible networks, MetaMask is the most popular. If you plan to create on Clayton, you might use Kikus. Setting up a wallet is your first real step into Web3. You will be given a secret recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words long. This phrase is the master key to your entire wallet. Write it down and store it securely offline. Never store it digitally or in the cloud, and never, ever share it. If you lose it, you lose access. If someone else gets it, they control your wallet. Once your tools are in order, you face one of the most important decisions in the NFT creation process, choosing the right blockchain. This is like deciding what material to use for a sculpture. Your choice will affect the cost, the audience, and the overall experience for you and your future collectors. Each blockchain has its own community, its own set of trade-offs, and its own native currency. While Ethereum has historically been the dominant force in the NFT world, its popularity has led to high transaction costs, known as gas fees, which can sometimes be prohibitive for new creators. Ethereum is the most established, with the largest network of users and the highest value collections, lending prestige and liquidity, but at a price. To address cost and scalability, Layer 2 solutions like Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism process transactions on a faster layer and settle to Ethereum, offering much of its security while reducing gas to mere cents. Polygon has become a favorite for creators due to low costs and strong marketplace integration. Clayton is popular in the Asian market and optimized for gaming and metaverse applications. Aim for prestige and visibility. Consider Ethereum, launching a large, affordable collection, or experimenting. Polygon or another Layer 2. Research communities and projects on each chain to find your best fit. With your wallet set up and your chosen blockchain in mind, it is time to create your presence on a marketplace. OpenSea is the largest and most well-known NFT marketplace. User-friendly, multi-chain, with a massive audience. Navigate to OpenSea and connect your crypto wallet to manage collections and sign transactions. Before minting an item, you must create a collection, your branded gallery to group related works, and establish your identity. Upload a logo, featured image, and banner to make a strong first impression and communicate your theme. Give it a compelling name and a clear, concise description. Add links to your website, Twitter, Discord, and more to build trust and community. Configure settings. Select your blockchain and set creator royalties, typically between 2.5% and 10%, to earn on every resale. Save your collection. Your digital storefront is open and ready for your first item. With your collection beautifully set up, the exciting moment has arrived. It is time to mint your first NFT. Minting publishes your unique token on the blockchain, creating a permanent, verifiable record of its existence and ownership. Upload your file, artwork, song, or video, using a high-quality version while keeping file size reasonable for fast loading. Give your NFT a memorable name and a description that tells its story, what it represents, and your creative process to deepen collector connection. Add an external link to more info or high-res media, and include properties to define traits, especially useful for large collections and rarity. Confirm the collection and select the blockchain. This choice is permanent once minted. Click Create. Your wallet will prompt you to sign and, if required, pay an upfront gas fee. The transaction is sent to the network and confirmed in moments. Congratulations! You have officially minted your first NFT. It is now on-chain and ready to be listed for sale. Creating an NFT is a significant accomplishment, but the journey does not end at the mint. Gas fees, the cost of blockchain transactions, fluctuate with demand. On Ethereum, they can spike, impacting minting, listing, or transfers. Time your transactions during off-peak hours, often late nights or weekends in North American time zones. With lazy minting phased out, deploying your contract and minting upfront gives control and legitimacy, with some cost. Choosing Polygon or another layer 2 makes fees a fraction of a dollar, ideal for experimenting and larger drops. Always check a gas tracker before you transact. Simply minting and listing is not enough. Promote your work and leverage the community links on your collection. Use Twitter and Discord to share art, tell your story, and engage with the NFT community. Participate in conversations, support other artists, and build genuine connections. People are not just buying a JPEG. They are buying into your story, your vision, and your community. As you embark on this path, remember that success rarely happens overnight. Start small. Mint a single piece or a small collection to test the waters. Use your first project as a learning experience. Watch what resonates, ask for feedback, and refine your approach. For your first piece, choose something visually distinct that tells a clear story on its own. A strong, iconic image can capture attention. Making an NFT is more accessible than ever. With the right tools and a clear strategy, persistence pays off. You can turn digital creations into verifiable assets and find your place in this new creative economy. Good luck.